Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Hunters. In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process, how to design this monogram, and how you can easily write any letter on this type of design. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take ellipse tool and make a circle. Swap fill color to stroke color. Select the circle, copy it by press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Now make it smaller like that. Select the circle, copy it by press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Now select the small circle, and make it bigger from the right side. Again select the small circle, and make bigger from the left side. Now take rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular in the middle of these circles. Swap stroke color to fill color. Now select everything, and make these middle align center. This is the fundamental thing for today's tutorial. Now I'm gonna design here our text. So, select the to circle, and bring here by hold Alt. Okay, that's good. Now select to circle, and make it horizontal align right. Also make it middle align center. Now go Object, and select Blend, click on Make. Now double-click on the Blend tool, from Spacing, select Specified Steps, and make it 14. And click on OK. Now go Object, and select Expand. By hold Alt, select the rectangle, and place it middle of this circles. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that, keeping one space. Okay, that's good. Now select the circle, and make it ungroup. Now hold Shift, select the all curve shape. And move it from the circles like that. Okay, that's good. Make a copy of this circle by hold Alt, as we will need it later. Turn off the stroke color. Now we will write push over half circle. So I write first push. Okay, that's good. Now take rectangular tool, and draw a rectangle equal to space between the two shape like that. Drag and lengthen the rectangle like that, and rotate it. Now place it equal to bottom of the half circles. Copy it by hold Alt, and place it little bit upward like that. Make another copy by hold Ctrl and press D. Okay, that's good. Now select the 3 rectangle, and make it group. Keep copy of this, because we will need it later. Go outline mode by press Ctrl Y, and make sure the rectangles place perfectly to bottom part. Back to normal mode by press Ctrl Y. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that. We gonna make here the text push. So keep watching. Okay, that's good. I have drawn it perfectly. Now we add extra thing to text, so that it can readable. First select the P letter. And take direct selection tool, and curve the corner like that. I think that's good. Now we make U letter. Again select direct selection tool, and make it U like that. As you can see guys, I cannot perfectly curve this part. Because there is an anchor point, so I have to delete it for curving perfectly. So take delete anchor point tool. And delete these two anchor point. Now you can curve it perfectly. Now we gonna make this part S letter. So do the same like before. As you can see, we have already right push over the curve shape, and I think you can do it easily from now. Now select everything. And go Pathfinder, and make it united. Okay, that's good. Friends, now we gonna design here back text like previous method. I think, you can easily complete the rest design. So be patient and watch the rest of the video. friends, here's our finished masterpiece. I hope you loved watching this design come to life. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or ideas for what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep unleashing your creativity.